Right. In this part of video, we're gonna discuss our assignment too. We have roughly 5 or 6 questions there, right? It's still about movement. Okay, we start from number 11. Let's see. Car traveling 95 km per hour is 210 behind a truck traveling 75 km/h. How long it will take the car to reach the truck? Okay, so the first step is try to make description. Try to make description of this process or this story. So the step make description. It will really help you to understand what's the story exactly. So this is car behind the truck. So this is car, this is truck. Okay, the velocity or speed is 95. This is 95. Okay, and then truck is 75. Okay, and then you need to convert to meter scone. Okay, right. How far? This is the distance is 210. This is distance A to B, or this car and this truck. You can see here, car is traveling faster, 95 km compared to 75. So even the position of car is behind the truck, but we just write the time. This car will be beside the truck. It will reach the same position, but how long? How long? Okay, let's talk about time. Time. Right. So from this description, you can write here. This is assume this at this position, this point, the truck and car, they have the same position. This is B, this is A, for example. So when we measure from this point, we get XA here, and this is XB. So the difference is 210. So we can write here XA equal to 210 plus XB, right? Okay. They will reach the same point here at the same time as well. Say T, and this is TA and TB as well. So the next, you should select what kind of this movement. It's called constant velocity or constant acceleration. Which one? You should choose by yourself. You assume here this constant velocity. So during this distance, they don't have any change of velocity. So you just use this equation: x equal to v and t. So for car or A, TA equal to x divided by v. So for truck or v, x divided by vb. So because they have the same time, so we can write on here x a VA equal to xb, right? And then put the value here, xa 210 and xb divided by VE. Just put the value of velocity or speed. This is 26.4, 20.8. And you can easily calculate the xb, but 780, yeah, 700. But the question is time, not the what the distance, yeah. So be careful, yeah. The question is about time. So this is not the final answer. So you should use this value to calculate the time. So just put this value to this equation. Or put here as well, that's fine, no problem. Yeah. 780 divided 20.8, so we have 37.5. Yeah, I think it's this is not really difficult. Yeah, just make sure you do it carefully. Yeah. Carefully make description, and then you should correctly select the equation from this story, and then you finally calculate it. Right, the next, this story about the runner. Yeah. Mary and Sally. This is Mary, this is Sally. Yeah. The speed is different. It's a little bit slow. Yeah. Mary is slower. 4, Sally is 5. Yeah. Well, but the position is in front of Mary. This is 5, this is 4, and the distance is 5. This is quite similar with the previous question, right? The speed 4, 5, the distance is 5, and then Shelley reaches the speed here. So you have the deceleration, because she thinks quite close now the finish line. See, you can read here. Shelley thinks she has an easy win, and so during the remaining portion of the race, decelerate at constant rate. So it means reaches the speed here. This is the decision of Shelley, and when we measure from this point, the finish line, the position of Shelley is 70, right? Because 22 minus 5, yeah? 22 minus 5. The position of Mary is 22 from the finish line. So I think it's now we have complete data for Shelley, not for Mary. Yeah. For Shelley we have V, yeah, VO, and we have deceleration minus, and we have also X. So I think it's complete already. We just easily calculate the time. Yeah, time. Yeah. Okay, let's start from Shelley. Yeah, so X minus XO equal to VOT plus half AT square. Yeah, but it's deceleration, so it should be minus here. Don't forget, so should put minus here. X, this is, yeah, 17. PS is a 5T, and then A is 0.4. Is it true? 0.4. Yeah, 0.4. So we have this equation 0.2t square minus 5t plus. You can solve this using a calculator or online solver, and you get the value is 4.1 second. Yeah. This is time needed by Shelley to get the finish line here, and this value as well. This value is 4.1 is required by Mary to get finish line. So for Mary we have initial speed, and then position, and we have time as well. The question is what constant acceleration? Yeah, constant acceleration. That's Mary now. So okay, so we talk about Mary now. We have VO, we have time, yeah, we have time, we have distance. Yeah, so we can solve easily. Use the same equation. Yeah, X Mary minus the initial position. So it's mean, yeah, 22. Yeah, starting from here, 22. Initial velocity is 4. This is time at 4.1. 4.1 R. Okay, this equation here. Put the value, and finally you can get the value of acceleration by Mary. Yeah. Right. If you still have difficulties, just review again this video, and you can as well text me by email or by WhatsApp group. We can discuss which part that is still not clear for you. Okay. The next, right, this is about free fall. Yeah, free fall situation. A stone is dropped from the top of a cliff and is seen in the ground below after 3.55 second. Yeah, just follow the same way. You just make description first. You draw just the stone, and then okay, this is the ground. Yeah, the beta is time. Yeah, time 3.55. Yeah, second. The question is height. H. Well, this is stone drop. It's mean no initial velocity. Just drop it. Just drop it. Okay. After 3.55, the stone reached the ground. Yeah. Okay. Right. Let's talk about free fall. It's mean we gonna use y axis. Yeah, y axis. So we reform this x, change to y minus yo equal to vot plus half u. Y plus because the direction is this free fall. This free fall. Yeah. So it should be plus. The difference is if we have vertical direction, it should be minus gravity, right? So just put here the value. This is the height. This is the question. We're gonna calculate, and then VO is 0 of 9.8355. Yeah, you have 60.8. Very easy. Yeah, very easy. Yeah. Okay, we'll continue for the next question in the next part of video. Okay.